Hello guys, I am Radhika. We all know there are some AIs which can help us to create logos, but those AI have some limitations because we have to choose from only options which are given by them. Let's say we have an illustration in our mind of how our logo should look like. We have to portray it, but how will we do that? Let's learn. But before starting, I want to remind you if you are interested in gaining an in depth knowledge about cool hacks using AI, you can join our workshop from the link in the description below.
9 rupees. 9 rupees cannot even buy you a packet of chips. But what if I tell you 9 rupees can save your job? What if I tell you 9 rupees can get you salary hike? What if I tell you 9 rupees can build your career in better way? Sounds too good to be true, right?
The tool which we are going to explore today is Leonardo AI. This tool takes our graphics to next level. It helps you generate innovative designs at scale and you can even sell them in digital stores. To get started, we have to create an account. We can use Google or other options that are given there. I am using my Google account. After this, we have to fill certain basic details of ours, such as we have to pick our username and we have to choose at least three interests of ours from the options that are given. After that, I am agreeing to all the terms and conditions and then select on next. Just one more step is left where we have to choose the role that describes us. Now, this AI tool is ready for use. You can see all the crazy designs that are preset for us to use. We can just change the prompt and convert it according to our need. Can you imagine how much this AI has eased the game for graphic designers? Just like this, AI is taking over the world. In such a short span of time, we have seen so many layoffs. Millions of jobs has been replaced by AI and what not. You don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? Well, AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will. If you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3-hour workshop in which we will teach you all about the best AI tools to upskill, increase your productivity, and enhance your career. Make your future secure with us. Join the workshop from the link in the description now. So let's see what this AI tool can do. There are so many preset designs with which we can make our logos. Whatever you feel is similar to your idea, you can pick that one and you can continue by changing the prompts. For example, I am picking this design. After choosing the design, we have to click on image to image option. As you can see, the prompt is light bulb with octopus inside, tentacles sticking out, colorful. Now, let's say I want a tree inside instead of an octopus, and instead of tentacles, I want roots sticking out. I might have also changed colorful into black and white or some solid colors, but I like it as it is. After we are done with the prompt, click on generate and then this AI starts its working. As you can see in the generation history section, it is currently working on 4 options to make us choose from. As soon as the completion gets to 100%, it will show us the result. I just had to wait for 1 to 2 minutes and it completed its process. You can see the results. So captivating, right? You can always play with the prompt to get your results. For example, instead of a bulb, I could have written a balloon, a ball, or even a house. The prompts which are given in the preset designs are just for a demo purpose that how this AI works. Let's see one more demo on this design. Here, instead of doing image to image option, I will just copy the prompt and then I will go ahead to make one logo. You can see there is a copy prompt option beside image to image option. After I am done copying the prompt of the image, I am closing the image and then there is an option called create new image on the top right corner of the screen. As you can see in the prompt section, the last prompt that I used for my last image is written. I will delete that and then paste the prompt that I copied. In the inky blackness of space, the silhouette of solitary astronaut floating, graphic t-shirt vector, counter, white border background. This is the prompt in the image. In my opinion, this prompt was very hard to think for us to write, but this is the prompt which gave us such a fantastic result. So now let's play around with this prompt a bit. Let's say instead of an astronaut, we want to see a dog in a spacesuit. If we directly write dog, just a dog will appear and it will not give that space effect. So I am writing dog in a space suit. The more you play around with your prompt, the most effective answers you will get. Now I clicked on generate and this AI started its processing. After around 1 minute, I got my results. And you can see such an amazing results. You can always describe the color of your picture, the dress that you want your character to wear, and many other things. It solely depends upon your imagination. So, if you like this one and if you want to learn more about such cool AI tools, you can join our workshop from the link in the description. If this video has helped you even a bit, please like, share, and subscribe.